Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
And today we're glad to have this video.
As always, another cooking video today.
Yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with
I have a shrimp here. It says a farm-raised raw tail on from Kirkland. I'm going to make shrimp 65.
Wow. So here's a funny fact. When I moved here to United States, I hated shrimp. So when my husband started to cook one day, he did made a really delicious shrimp. I was like, oh my God, you have to make this again. And voila. Today is gonna be that day. He's gonna turn this shrimp into a delicious one.
I know it's a 65, one of the Indian dish.
There's a chicken 65.
Yeah, most of the time roadside, street food, chicken 65.
Cauliflower 65.
Oh yeah, one of the video I made a cauliflower 65. So I already soaked in the water. Not soaking, I'm gonna be defrost because it was froze.
So technically we're gonna use our special seasoning came from India. This is one of the seasoning, like I think Ram has to explain that because I don't know what is in there.
Last time, one of the video I made fish fry in the flat top.
Yeah.
So the same spices I used. This is how it came, okay, from India. It's my mom made it. I don't know what did she put, but she said it's a secret recipe.
It's a secret recipe.
But you know, yeah, so most of the time, a Kashmiri chili powder, it gives color, red color, but I don't know. I'm not sure if she puts color or not, but this is how it came, already mixed spice. You guys can see this is a bag from clothing stores, and you're gonna buy garments, you can buy, so that's the same.
Everything is very special.
So it's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been almost how many months? We miss them so much. When they were here, you guys can see those videos. We had a really great time. We cooked a lot. They love the food, and when they went back to India, they miss everybody. They miss the food, you know. We had a really great time with them here in the United States.
So what did you miss from them when they were here?
Actually, I missed everything about them, and I learned so much from my mother-in-law. I learned how to make sambar. I know how to make idli, dosa,
Rasam.
Rasam was one of the best ones that I love, especially when I have cold.
We're gonna make one day rasam. It's a simple, very, very simple. It can be a tamarind, can be soup.
It's like a soup that you can mix with everything.
Yeah, sambar. No, actually, it's with the rice, rasam. It's best combination ever. Yeah.
Okay,
so it's still defrosting. We're gonna show you guys once it's defrost. All right. So now it's defrost already. So I have one egg. I'm gonna put one egg here. Okay. I put a little bit of spices here. I will leave it a little bit for marination, maybe like a good 30 minutes. You know, I can put yogurt too if I want. I can put yogurt now.
Oh my gosh. See, every day I have to learn something new. Like my husband is so creative. Sometimes I cook and then he will be like, oh, you copy me. I'm like, yeah, because I'm learning a lot from you.
Okay, I have a yogurt here from also Kirkland. And I have some ginger garlic paste here. So, of course, Indian, we always use some other cups for anything. We use it, reuse it, recycle it.
Recycle it.
Yeah, so here, ginger garlic paste. I made it, so I keep it every time on the fridge. I put a little bit ginger garlic paste, okay, and a little bit yogurt. And I have a little bit salt. I'm going to give like nice massage.
Nice massage.
Yeah.
Mix it up all together.
Yeah.
Nice.
You think needs more spices or is good?
I think it looks good.
I think it's good. I will see one first. Put in oil. Sometimes when it's too much watery, the masala is not bind together. So I will leave it a little longer to marinate, get all the spices go inside. If you have a fork like me, just poke it so the spices can go inside.
Wow.
You know.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
You see all these tricks I always learn from you. Wow.
So this is for decoration, of course. Oh, can I have a curry leaves, baby?
Curry leaves. Yeah.
So I have a curry leaves here, and I have onions. It's for decoration, of course. Lemon for decoration. I have a jalapeno. This is jalapenos. It's a green chili, spicy green chili. It's produced in Mexico, so we use them a lot in America.
It's really cool.
Yeah, it's good. So you see, cut them in nice slice. I keep it ready. I have a curry leaves. I will keep it ready. So now we can go on the fryer side. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go closer a little bit.
Nice.
Okay, if you guys can see it, the 65 is ready.
Yeah, so far we're enjoying my mother-in-law seasoning.
Yeah, that's her own recipe. I asked her what did she put. She never told me.
It's a secret.
Secret recipe, that's why she told me, right? So you guys can see if she put color, I don't know, whatever she put, it looks good. But you know, hey, sometimes can be a Kashmiri chili too. We're gonna do the second batch. So I put curry leaves. It's gonna fry everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Smells good.
Oh, I can smell the Indian
aroma, right?
Yeah.
All right, it's ready. Look at these guys. It's making more flavor.
Oh, wow.
Alrighty, here the shrimp 65 ready. The shrimp 65 ready, guys. Let's decorate before I serve to my wife.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay, I have a sliced onions. I put them on the top, and I have a lemon here, and I have a jalapeno. I'll just put them somewhere. This was just for decoration.
That looks so good.
Shrimp 65 ready. This is a Madras style. There is also Andhra style. They put more masala in it. But anyway, my wife is gonna test it. She's gonna let you guys know. Come on, baby.
Ooh.
Come on and let's
try it.
let's try. No, I'm not going to try. So I'm kind of I don't want to eat. I don't want to say anything. So I don't want to eat. Okay, my wife is gonna taste and she's gonna let us know. Let you guys know.
God, this is really good.
All right.
I'm so spoiled.
Ooh.
Mm.
Hot.
So good.
It's good. Hit some a little bit onions too. It gives like more kick in it.
Oh my God, this is amazing. I wish I can tell you what seasoning is in here so you can try it yourself. Oh my God, this is amazing. So delicious. Like the salt is perfect. The spiciness is perfect. It's not too spicy. Everything else is really good. And also the lemon make it much delicious, guys. You sure you don't want to try?
No, I'm good, but I want to taste it. But you know, I'm good. I don't want to try it. Yeah, we're planning to upload more videos, more cooking videos. Just let us know what kind of videos you guys want us to hear, or what kind of videos you want us to watch from us. Just kind of give us an idea. And we're trying to upload more videos, and we're gonna get back to make more videos.
Well, this one
I can see that how my wife is enjoying the shrimp.
Oh my God.
You can make with chicken. Boneless chicken is good, and cauliflower if you're vegetarian. Cauliflower.
It's really good.
There is a multiple way you can do the same spices. You know, you can make it, but. Yeah.
If you want to know more about the spices, we will ask our mother-in-law.
She says she's not gonna let us know.
Really?
Yeah.
So the secret. Hey, you can make your own spices. Just remember that. But this one right here.
Yeah. Everybody has a small, tricks in it. But
it's the bomb.
Yeah. All right, guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and leave your comment and let us know how do you guys like it. How do you make your shrimp 65 and what is your recipe? And please let us know. We like to hear that and we like to read your comments.
Yes. Thank you again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.